What's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Make sure you hit all, okay? And I just want to get into some stock that are not ideal buying price, but they are in a buy range. I did some buying today, and I'm just going to share with you guys what I bought and why. Let's get right into it. For those of you that's been rolling with me for a while, you know what keeps me alive. Hit that like button. All right. All right, here we go. Let's go right into what I'm talking about. Of course, the Fed is going to be speaking today. Market is not looking so hot today. The Fed is going to be speaking, and they're giving cliff notes as he's speaking. And, if you can just do a whole market outlook and see what's going on right now. I don't want to get into that because this causes this, this causes this, this causes this. The Fed is talking about basically what's going to happen with inflation, what they're going to be doing, and the market is not reacting so nicely to it. Because of that, a lot of tech and EVs are getting hit, and I see some buying opportunities that I actually did buy. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. All right, we all family. Okay, here we go. All right, let's go right here to NEO. Right, NEO right now is down 4.48%. It's at 45.88, and I bought some here at 45. It was 45.98. I bought a few shares of Tesla at 45.98. Now, this is not me looking at any charts and anything like that. My positions on these plays are long. Okay, so I'm going to start off by saying I'm not telling you to go in if you're going to be like me. I'm not telling you to go in and buy a bunch of shares of this at this price. I'm just saying I only buy stock like this when it's red. And I'm buying a few shares of this. So if you just wanted to spend some money and you were going to the store and you want to see what's on sale, I would say NEO is on sale at this point. You can see different price points by the end of this year. I think it's going to be much higher than this. I think it can get to $75 by the end of this year. You got other ones like I believe Stockmo, who's the EV king. His price point is like $60. So 45 and some change, 45 is not bad. It just hit 46. So you can make money, but there's still going to be volatility, and this may not be the ideal bottom price according to what the charts are showing you. I'm just showing you that, hey, if you got $1,000 you plan on spending, maybe take $250 and buy a little of this, okay? And I'm going to keep that same thing with the other stock that I'm going to discuss. Let's go right to it. Let's go to Tesla, right? Here we go to Tesla. Tesla's down almost 16%, right? Tesla's way down here. And I bought Tesla at 644, exactly what I bought it at. And it's coming right back down to it. I bought it over here, but it's coming down to 644 is what I bought it at. Now it's 643. I'm not going, oh, it's down. I'm down $1. No, I bought it at 644. I'm going to dollar cost average in. This whole lesson is about dollar cost averaging in. Remember, for those of you that's been following me, my year for EVs is 2025. So at this range, it's fine. My ideal buying price for Tesla is under $600. And I believe that there'll probably be some more catalysts coming down the road that will push it into that price range. We keep saying, oh, it's not going to go back down there, and then something happens, right? So the ideal buying price for Tesla is under 600. But hey, I'm not crying at 644, all right? And let's go to the third one, which is CCIV. Now, CCIV is different for me, right? Right now, it's $25.45. And I will tell you that I did not buy any CCIV. Let's see where it went down. It went all the way down to 24. I did not buy any CCIV. I will say at this point, because I'm changing it, my ideal, it was $21. My ideal buying price is $22 now. I just believe that there's going to be some negative catalysts coming up with CCIV. They haven't delivered any vehicles. They keep pushing stuff back. Share dilution may be coming. That may be an issue. So there's a whole lot of stuff that CCIV or Lucid Motors has to prove to the market. Though I absolutely positively love the automobile and I am long on this stock. Still 2025 when they are, when they're actually making money. All right. And that's when they're going to make money. 2025 is when they're actually going to be making money. Right now, they're not even making money. They haven't shipped any cars yet. So they have a lot to prove. And with any EV startup company, it's like a restaurant. It's like most of them are going to fail. This is one I believe is going to succeed, but they have a lot to prove. And anything that could go wrong will go wrong. So there's going to be a lot of volatility until. So my ideal buy-in price right now, I'm going to raise it to $22 and under. And I do believe, even though it's $25 and I'm not poo-hooing, I do believe it's going to get back down there. There's going to be something negative that's going to push it back down. So what I would tell you to do is be patient and wait. Wait for it to come to you. That's one of the things I've learned. I learned it with crypto. I learned it last year. Be patient and wait. And if it's a realistic number, believe it or not, it will come down to where you're waiting at. It's just a waiting game. So that's where I am with these two plays. I know you hear a lot about EVs, but they're the future. OK, and so I would say if you have the cash, grab a little Tesla and grab a little NIO. Now, I'm the most bullish on NIO and then Tesla and then CCIV. I have more money invested in NIO and then Tesla and then CCIV because I'm the most bullish on those in that order. Once CCIV starts to actually deliver and they hit their first quarter, then I'm going to go in more in the CCIV after they hit some more headaches. But right now, I just keep buying these dips and I wait for them to come to me. All right, good people. I just wanted to stop in and say that. And I'm going to say this, and I know it's going to sound crazy, but if you still wanted to get into the AMC game, and I'm not telling you, I'm not pumping it. Remember, this stock, as far as what it's worth, is way overvalued, right? But if you just wanted to be an ape and you just wanted to get in, it's $45 right now. And so now I'm telling you that it is a risky play. I'm telling you it's not based on fundamentals. And I'm telling you don't go and run and dump a lot of money into it. But if you said, hey, I just want to be a part of the movement and I have some money that I don't mind losing, then you may want to look at that because it's at a good price right now because of what's happening in the market overall, right? And I believe it's in the buy range, okay, for that purpose. But this video is about these two electric vehicle companies. All right. So, hey, good people, that's all I wanted to do. I wanted to get it out in a timely fashion so you guys can make some moves. Now, for those of you, if you see this after the market is closed, hopefully I can get it up before it closes. If you see it after the market closed and you can't make any of these purchases and you want to, I suggest that you download the Webull link provided below. Please download using my Webull link because it helps the channel out. And right now until the 20th, I'm going to say this on every video until the 20th, you can only deposit $5 and you're going to get more than that in free stock. So you lose nothing. I don't care if you have 4 other brokerages, you can do that. And you can do fractional shares. And if you live in New York on the East Coast, you can trade from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. So that means that most of you, when you see this, you could still buy after the market is closed. All right, good people, download my link below and help the page out, but more importantly, help you out. And you can get up to $2,300 worth of free stock. Leaving it right there, good people. Love you as always. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Now let's make some money.